very, very happy to be here to celebrate my friend. He deserves it. He deserves it. I hope I know it's going to be a great film.
It's going to be a good show.
Yeah.
I tell you what, I got to watch it. John Bon Jovi gave me. He gave this to about 10 people when he got in the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame. He says, yes, I gave it to my friends. There's a class guy. I listen to everything. I listen to classic music, any kind. I see stuff, I write it down. I watch all the late night shows before I go to bed. But whether it's Kimmel or Fallon or everybody, I watch everything. And if I see a new act, I write it down. I tell my assistants, I want to see this person. Give me a phone number. And I'm the first to kick their ass. And then, well, get your ass over here. Wait a minute, we're on the red carpet. So I'm on the ball every night. At my age, I'm 86 years old. You know, but I'm not, I'm 16. And I did a lot of shows with David. He wanted to go see a King Tut show. He said, I want to go see that. I said, oh my God, who am I going to call? He wants to go see it's David Bowie, my friend. So I had David Bowie come and see a personal tour of King Tut exhibition before anybody saw it. I did that for David Bowie. And you know what he did for me? No, he did a lot. I got a lot of shows from him, and he was a class guy.
It was intense, you know. He's a man of many facets, so it was good. It was some really good days and some days that were hard, and you know, the depth of the history with Ron, because I think that there's the famous shows, you know, that he's presented like Simon and Garfunkel, but you know, Ron presented David Bowie's debut show in New York at Carnegie Hall, and really gave David Bowie a shot and took a chance on him, and that's, you know, just a lot of those stories people don't know, you know. So I was surprised by the level and the depth of involvement that Ron has had in live music in general. Just every part of it he's been tapped into.